Zip it.
Hi everybody, I am going to do this unboxing of all this great goodness that came from this catalog right here. I got to do a pre-order. This catalog is amazing. Of course, as you can see, I can't wait to show you what is in it. I didn't get everything, but I will be purchasing some more.
Yep. And my mama likes me so much, and I help her with her crafting, unboxing.
So that's my 5-year-old. She's helping me out. She wants to do her video too, so she has her phone and she's recording right next to me. Okay, so let's look at this.
And let's get in it.
All right, so here's the 12 by 12 paper pad. It is called, let's see, Let It Snow Specialty Designer Series paper.
Hey, you showing it?
Gorgeous.
Too.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, that's so gorgeous. And here we got is Valentine's paper is like a glittery.
Well, it can be Christmas too. This is the real red glimmer paper.
It's it might
12
be
by 12.
Christmas, and it's maybe it's half Christmas and half Valentine's.
Okay, yeah, you can't use it for Valentine's. All right, so we got the 6 by 6 paper pad that is called Night Before Christmas Designer Series paper. And then we got the steel seams, and I opened the dies because I just wanted to try to show you that I got the matching dies. So here's this, and then the dies
are awesome.
Yeah, they are. Let me see if I can show you. Here's the dies. Perfect. All right, this is the case that they go in now.
Yeah, that's only the case.
I got some black Stampin' Up! Dimensionals.
Everybody, you can see that.
I got the Night Before Christmas Memory and More card pack.
It's like the other one already.
Let's see, another. I'm gonna have my daughter open this. Oh, Jolly Season dies right here.
Is she your daughter again?
You silly goose. Wicked dies. Everything festive. Oh, it's so cool.
It's so cool.
Mini curvy keepsake box dies. I will open that up too.
Yeah, she'll open that later. And she's my mom, Stella. Me and Maddie are best friends forever.
Winter Knit 3D embossing folder.
Oh, that's cool. I like your stuff.
And then this is the Night Before Christmas Memories and More cards. So I got that set right there. So that goes with this over here.
Yeah, that goes right there.
Too much cute stuff.
Yeah, that's way too cute.
Christmas crowd. Snowman season. Which they use that in front of the where's that catalog right there? Look at that. See?
Catalog is right here.
Too cute. I want to get this this set too. With the birds, the cardinals, so pretty. Okay, let's see. Moving along. Tiny keepsakes. So I got that. What is that? That die, the box. So there's that. The die. Holly Jolly Christmas. Look at that Santa. He's gonna be so cute to color. What do you think?
Yeah, he looks so cute to color, and the stamps on the back. We are opening it. This is because of the halfway of hour of like 60 days of Christmas, or 90 or 80.
This is the black scalloped edge ribbon
for Halloween ribbon.
We got some coffin treat boxes.
Yeah, coffin.
So cute. Excuse that.
Yeah.
You can see me, my daughter. Funny on the glare.
Yeah. Because I got my own phone and it's good for taking pictures.
The punch. So this was a what do you call it? A suit? A suite? It was a suit. It came with a.
It's a cute little snowman.
It is cute.
Next one we have the blue one. Isn't there?
This is the Let It Snow embellishment kit.
We never ordered of that, and really that's the end.
I can't wait to try this. The snow fall accents.
Ooh.
Let me zoom. Puff paint. And then let's see. All right, and then this right here is Joy of Giving Tag Project Kit. I'm not a professional video taker. This is just a hobby. I'm in the Navy, so this is one of my hobbies.
I am a good
so please, I'm doing the best that I can for now. Once I get better at this, I'm sure.
I am the good old video
Look
camera
at that.
thing.
Too cool. Make all those
way
tags.
Cool. She's a good crafting maker, actually.
Thank you.
You're
So yeah, it's a lot of stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.
And give us a thumbs up.
Yes, please give us a thumbs up. I'm excited
Get a thumbs up.
to work with all this stuff, and I still have so much more. Summer. Oh, okay. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Any questions? You
Or
can.
comments.
Yeah, or comments. Give us a comment. Like I said, I'm new to this. I just love shopping.
Give us a comment down below if you like this stuff.
I do. We like it, right?
Yeah, we like it because Mama very bad for this stuff, and the very cute thing is this thing right here.
Yeah. So here's the catalog, and
Right here.
if you want to if you want one, just go ahead and leave a comment.
Yeah.
If you're interested in any of these items, you can purchase through me, and I'll be happy to help you out. Again, thank you for watching, and have a good weekend. Bye.
Bye.